Hello, this is Alex from Swoosh English, and we know that in order to be successful in the OET Reading 2.0 paper, you need to be able to manage your time effectively. That's one of the many factors involved in being successful in this paper. Whether you're looking to get a B or you're one of those super determined people who are looking to get an A. And when it comes to time management and saving your time and using your time effectively, it's really important to familiarize yourself with the instructions and what you need to do for part A, B, and C before you come into the examination room. Because I speak to all of my students, I speak to other students on Facebook, YouTube, etc. by email who ask me questions. And some of these students are actually reading the instructions inside the examination. Why? Because they didn't familiarize themselves with the instructions before the examination. So, I mean, let's take, for example, reading part A. You've got 15 minutes. You know you've got 20 marks available. You know you've got 4 texts that you need to go through. You should know all of this before you get into the examination room. You've only got 15 minutes, so you must use that time wisely. Don't spend, 3, 4, 5 minutes or so actually going through the instructions and internalizing it and understanding it before you then move on to the questions, because you really don't have time in order to do that. Remember, if you've got 20 marks and 15 minutes and 20 marks available, then 15 minutes is not much time at all to get those 20 marks. So you need to use your time very, very wisely. So this is a very quick tip today, but it could make a huge difference to your results. So read the instructions before you get into the exam. When you're doing your sample papers, when you're doing your practice mock exam tests, when you are going through and in the weeks and months leading up to your examination, you will be more familiarized with the instructions as you do the tests going forward, as you do the mock exams. And then on test day, you'll be completely well aware. You'll be more than familiarized. You will have more than familiarized yourself with the instructions. So please do that. And I hope this time-saving strategy has been helpful to you today. If you want to ask any questions on today's video, then make sure you put it in the comment section below. And if you want to download our free OET video course, make sure you go to swooshenglish.com. I'd love to help you to pass.